Hi guys, welcome to Flash Tech Hub. Today we will be unboxing a Gimbal stabilizer. As you can see, I bought it on Kilimo. This is because it was affordable. So let's just unbox and see what is inside. Now guys, this is the stabilizer. This is the box. Now, as you can see, I bought it in black. This is the black because we have two varieties. We have white and we have black. Now on the box, as you can see, it has single axle stabilizer system. So you can see it's portable because it's fairly light, and we have a remote control for shots, for taking pictures. So you can be hands free, so you can take pictures. Then it has a tripod. That one we will see now. As you can see, nothing else here, just specification. If you want to pause it and read just the specifications, then nothing else. Now let us unbox and see what is inside. Now guys, we have a very short cable. This is for charging. As you can see, it's very short. It's a micro USB. This is not a type C, so it is micro USB. Now let's see another one. Let's set that one aside. Let's see if we have anything else. Now yes, we have a user manual. This is a user manual, how you will connect it. This is the remote. This showing you how you can remove the remote from the gimbal, from the stick. As you can see, you can remove it, and how you can change the battery. This is how you I think it's just a user manual. Now let's go to the stabilization. Now guys, this is the stabilizer. As you can see, it's very nice, very nice. Now first you can open it like this, and this one is for locking. You can lock it like that. As you can see, now it's firm. This is the remote control. You connect it with your phone using Bluetooth. Let us move it. Woo. Now it has a battery. Now you just lock it just like that, and you just press and hold like that. Now it is searching for as you can see, it's blinking, searching for a phone. If you want to connect a phone through Bluetooth. Now how you do. If you want to insert it back, just press it like this and insert it like that. If you want to turn it off, press and hold. As you can see, let's press that and on. As you can see, it's off. Now here, this is the stabilizer service. You can see it is powered, it is battery powered. The battery I saw, it's I think it's 400 milliamp, but I don't remember very quite well. Now what you do, you just hold. There's a button here, hit this one, so hold it and press it like this. So you can see it turns green. When it's turned green, that means it is powered. It is powered. It is powered. It is charged. The battery is charged. When it turns red, just know you need to recharge it. So let us put the battery my headphone so that we can test it. Now guys, now this is a phone. Now if you open it, as you can see, it is in portrait mode. If you switch it on, sorry, let me turn my phone like this. Yes, as you can see now. If you turn it on, it will lock because the phone is already in portrait mode. It will lock the phone at that portrait mode, as you can see. Now the phone is in portrait mode. As you can see, it is on, it is blinking. So the phone will remain at portrait mode. Now if you want to change it, you just press this once. Now let's press it once like this. As you can see, it is turned to like this. It has turned on this position, as you can see. Now to see if it is working, now let me show you. Even if I turn my hand like this, the phone is still. It is not moving, it is not shaking. As you can see, it is not shaking. Now you can see lock this at this stage when it is like that. So what you do, there is a slide here. As you can see, even if I move, the phone is not moving. So there is a lock behind here, so it is called the lock. You lock it at the position where the phone is, so you lock it like this. So even if I do like this, you just go with my hand. How my hand is, you can just unlock it so to enable the stabilizer. So as you can see, I have unlocked it and is not moving. It is just staying at that state, as you can see. Now, as you noticed, we have a tripod here. So what you do, just open it here. This is a tripod, so you can open it like this. You can see like this. Then, like you extend it like so. So it becomes a tripod. Let me put it there so that you can see clearly. Now this tripod, you can just put it like, let me open this one, so you can see now just a little bit of a tripod like so. It is very tall, don't think it's short. Now as you can see now, it is a tripod. It has become a tripod. Now it is, as you can see, you can extend. It's very long, by the way, it's not that short, as you can see. Now guys, I bought this Gimbal stabilizer for that for a total price of 1700. It was very cheap, by the way, that time. 1700. It is like $12, and I think it's very good. By that time the price was very cheap because it was a flash sale, so I got it at a very cheap price. But the exact value is around 3,600. Very a bit expensive. That is around around $25, I think. But I think it's good, by the way. It's very cheap, but it's very good. You can use this in anywhere you like. As you can see, it's very nice and it's very portable. By the way, it's not very heavy. You can use it as you travel, and to make your shots very nice, to make all the shots very nice. And also, if you want to return to your portrait mode, just press the button on behind once. So you can see, if I press it, there it has rotated, and here also it cannot shake. It will still remain there. It will remain at the same. Even if I shake my hand, it will just remain the way I have set it to be in portrait mode, that is. So guys, I think this is the end of my video. So thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can comment, and I will catch you on the next one. So thank you so much, and goodbye.